To subtract these fractions, we need a common denominator. And for common denominators, we need factors. So I'm going to look in the denominator, and I already have these factored in factored form. So x minus 2 represents one factor, x plus 5 is another factor, and from those factors, we can get the restrictions here. And then from those same factors, we can get a lowest common denominator of x minus 2, x plus 5. So to get the lowest common denominator on the left-hand fraction, we're going to multiply the x minus 2 with an x plus 5. And we need to balance the fraction by doing the same on the top. So x plus 5 on the top. On the right-hand fraction, we need to multiply by x minus 2 to get the common denominator. And then we need to do the same on the top to balance that fraction. So once we've done that, we can then expand out those brackets and subtract. Now we have to be very careful with this subtraction sign here. So I'm going to expand this out. It's going to be x squared plus 5x minus, and that subtraction sign is important because we're going to subtract everything to the right of it. So we need to make sure we group that together. So multiplying this together, I'm going to end up with x squared minus or plus 4 minus 2, so plus 2x minus 8. And that represents that grouping for that negative. And then that's all over the lowest common denominator of x plus 5, x minus 2. And I'm going to keep that in factored form. When I subtract these, I get x squared minus x squared, so those are going to cancel out. I end up with 5x minus positive 2x. Okay, so that's going to give me positive 3x. So I end up with 5 minus 2. And then this becomes minus a negative 8, so that becomes plus 8. And that's all over the common denominator of x plus 5, x minus 2. And there's my final answer. I can't factor the numerator. Okay, I don't need to factor the numerator unless there's common factors on the top and bottom.